Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting a reliable source, national agency, or a well-known app because accuracy varies. Enter your city or allow location access so the forecast targets where you are. Once done, check the update cadence. Hourly updates help short-term planning while daily summaries suit travel. Make sure to enable notifications for severe alerts. Choosing a single primary source reduces conflicting info and gives a baseline to compare others if needed. You now dig into the details. Read temperature, precipitation chance in percent, and wind speed with direction, because each affects your decisions differently. Once done, inspect hourly charts and radar to see when rain or storms will arrive. Humidity and dew point explain muggy conditions. If the situation looks complex, compare multiple forecast models or short-term updates to spot discrepancies. This helps you plan timing, clothing, and whether to delay outdoor activity. You finish by confirming timing with alerts and continuous radar loops so you can finalize plans. Make adjustments with buffer time, leave earlier or have a backup indoor option, because forecasts change. If conditions shift, refresh the app and check hourly updates to avoid surprises. Troubleshooting. If sources conflict, clear the app cache or refresh location permissions, then consult a second trusted provider. This usually resolves discrepancies and keeps you prepared.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.